Hi friends, this is Nageshwar and welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to install and configure Windows Deployment Services role and installing Windows 7 client system using Windows Deployment Services. Here, I'm using Windows 2012 Server. Come to Server Manager and please select Add Roles and Features. Please select Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation and select a server from the server pool. Select the role Windows Deployment Services. Next, next, next. And here please select Deployment Server and Transport Server. Select this option, restart the destination server automatically if required. Install. After installation succeeded on server, close this and come to Tools and please select Windows Deployment Services and expand servers and please select server and right click, select configure server. And here before we begin, we have to check that server is a member of Active Directory Domain Services and there must be DHCP server on the network and active DNS server on your network, and the server has an NTFS file system partition on which to store images. After that, click on next, and here we have two options, integrated with Active Directory and standalone server. In this server I have installed Active Directory Domain Services, that's why I'm selecting this. Next, and choose the remote installation folder for having boot images, install images, PXE boot files and WDS management tools, and keep it as default. If you want to choose other folder, you can browse it from here. After that, click on next, and the volume selected is also the Windows system volume. Do you want to continue? Yes. And for DHCP server, please select both the options. Next, and PXE server initial settings, I'm selecting respond to all client computers, known and unknown, and we can restrict this only to the client systems also. Next, after that, finish and expand this. Now place your Windows 7 installation disk in CD or DVD drive. After this, right click on boot images and please select add boot image, and here we need to upload boot.wim file. Click on browse and come to your Windows 7 installation disk and open sources. Here please select boot.wim. Next, and image metadata, keep it as default. Next, after the operation completed, click on finish, and here we can check the status online. Now come to install images, right click and please select add install image and create an image group. I'm keeping default. Next, and browse and install .wim file. Next, next, next. This process takes few minutes, so I will skip this process. After the operation completed, click on finish. Now select server and right click, come to properties, and here please select PXE response. Here we have the option respond to all client computers known and unknown, and after that come to Active Directory Domain Services, and here I have chosen the format for my client system name WCS, and 3 is the number of systems, so the name will be WCS1 for first client system, and after that come to the following location, and here we have to create one organizational unit. So I have created deployed, and here we have to select that organizational unit, and after that come to boot, and here to initialize PXE boot we have to press F12 in known clients and unknown clients, and after that come to client, and here if you don't want to join the client to domain after an installation, please click this option. OK. After this come to the client system and start the client system. Press F12 to select the boot device, and here I'm selecting LAN. Press F12 for initializing PXE boot, and here we can observe that we have got the boot medium from server. Please select the local and keyboard. Next, and here type domain administrator password, and choose the operating system. Next, and select the disk. Next, waiting for server. Now it is installing Windows. This process will take some time, so I will skip this, and the installation process same as Windows 7 installation. And please select the country and time currency and keyboard layout. Next, and please type a username, and here we have to select the password. Next, accept the license terms. Next, ask me later, and here please select your time zone. I'm from India. Next, come to start, and here we can find the username, and right click on this, come to properties, and here it is showing the computer name WCS1, and it is connected to the domain scarlet.com. After this, come to server and come to the Active Directory users and computers, and please select deployed, and here you will get the client system WCS1. Like this, we can install and configure Windows Deployment Services rule and install Windows 7 in client system using Windows Deployment Services in Windows Server 2012 R2. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends, and please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest updated videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.